Hello everyone, welcome again to Real Class. My name still remains M.A. Ido, and this time we are looking at tautology under use of English. Alright? When you say tautology, it means unnecessary repetition of words. Many a speaker of Nigerian, you know, language, okay, or many a speaker of English language rather, speak in such a way that they repeat words unnecessarily, all right, just the same way they repeat words unnecessarily in their native language. So if you do that in English, it will be tantamount to grammatical blunder or errors. As we find here on the board are list of few examples that are mostly found. Okay, uh, should in case, all right, is not correct. Should in case he comes, let me know. It is should or in case should he comes, let me know. In case he comes, let me know. Not should in case. Clap your hands. Hand is the only part of your body you clap. You don't clap leg, you don't clap your head. All right, so repeating hands makes it tautological. So clap, clap, not clap your hands. Nod your head, you don't nod leg. All right, head is the only part that you what nod, you don't nod your mouth. All right, so repeating words, head immediately after nod is tantamount to what error. So it is nod. Please, if you know you are present, nod. Now raise up your hand. Anything you raise goes up. So no need of repeating the word up. You don't raise anything down. You raise and it goes up. So no need of saying up after raise. So raise your hands. Raise your hands, not raise up your hands. So you now talk about short knickers. It is either shorts or knickers. Alright? Either shorts or knickers. So don't put both together. Okay? To be tautological. Night vigil. We have a vigil. No, we have night vigil. Vigil does not take place in the day. Alright? Vigil is known to take place in the night. So why repeating night again? So it is vigil, not night vigil. Alright? Then cannot be possible. It cannot be possible. This is one English that many persons use. There is nothing like cannot be possible. It cannot be, because whatever cannot is not also possible. Alright? Whatever cannot be is not also what possible. So the answer, the correct English will now be, it cannot be. Let's leave it that way. It cannot be, or it's not possible. Not it cannot be possible. Okay? Yes. Then repeat it again. Whatever you repeat is being said again and again. Alright? So why repeating, why using again after what? Repeat. Okay? So it's not correct. Okay? So repeat it or say it again. Repeat it or say it again. Not repeat it again. That's tautological. But if it is in literature, they call it pleonasm. That's for tautology. Then surgical operation. She has undergone surgical operation. Whatever is surgical, all right, has to do with what? Operation. All right. So it is surgery. She has undergone surgery or she has undergone operation, not surgical operation. Okay. So surgical operation is therefore tautological. All right, and should not be accepted. All of these things that are being taught right here, it is done with a view to making you write well, so that you don't write in such a way that people question your writing as to what group do you belong to in life and all of that. Okay, so with these few examples, we should know that there are some words that we don't use, repeatedly, to avoid the error of tautology. So that's that. In our next class, we look at another topic.